When a lot of people think about laser engravers and woodworking businesses, they think you need big fancy shops and expensive equipment, and that's simply not true. I'm in my garage right now, walking over my gym slash woodworking area here, so nothing crazy. And I have this under $200 laser running right now. And honestly, for what the average woodworker is going to use a laser engraver for, that's all you need. What I want to talk to you about is how you can take a simple laser like that. That is the Acmer S2. I'll link it below. Again, under $200 laser, and how you can turn it into a profitable part of your shop. So how can the average woodworker make money with a laser engraver? So the first thing is pretty obvious, and that's customization. So you take something like this squirrel feeder right here. I took a laser engraver and I wrote nut bar on it. Nothing huge, but it separates it from a plain product with no text on it. Now, forget nut bar. Imagine you made this for somebody and they wanted their last name on it. For me, the Malones, or they have a catchy saying, or they have an inside joke with somebody, and they want to put that on there and give it as a gift. That little bit that you can do, being able to customize it, is going to separate you from the competition. Right now, while I'm shooting this video, I have my laser running over here, and I'm just doing a little bit of a fun file. See if maybe you can figure out what it says. But I'm just taking a piece of scrap wood and putting some text on it. Something as simple as that. You have a piece of scrap wood lying around and you put a Bible verse on it. You put a catchy phrase on it. You put a quote from your favorite movie. I'm thinking of like Spaceballs right now and how many amazing quotes I could come up with to put on a piece of wood and sell it as a Spaceballs sign. Or The Princess Bride, two of the best movies of all time. As I'm shooting this video right now, it's like 2 weeks before Christmas. So, I'm over here making things like this, giant snowflakes and fun stuff. But what if I just took a piece of wood with a laser engraver and did something like this? You could sell this to somebody and they can put it on their mantle and they will happily give you $15 or $20 for something like this. Where all I did was cut a piece of wood and laser engrave something on it. Right here is one of my favorite things that I made that I laser engraved. It's a big old mallet. And if you look at it, I put my last name on it, and then I put my family crest on it. Just something fun. You could start an Etsy store making things like this, selling Thor hammers with the person's last name or a custom message on it. I was testing this laser out the other day. Again, the Acmer S2. I think it was $190 to buy this brand new. And actually, if you buy it below, there's a 10% off promo code. So save yourself 20 bucks basically. But I was playing around with doing a photograph, and I had a picture of my wife's grandparents. And I was like, let me test that out. And it came out pretty darn good, especially for such an affordable laser. And I was like, hey, what if I just got pieces of scrap wood like this and took photographs and laser engraved the photograph onto the piece of wood and then put a little frame around it? You could sell basically custom pictures. It'd be just like the photograph they want, except turned into a laser engraved product. Do you make cutting boards at all? A couple ways you can make some more money using your laser engraver with cutting boards. One, you can laser engrave an image or logo onto the cutting board. One of my students recently, he did the Eagles logo on a cutting board that he made for his dad because his dad is a big Eagles fan. Loved it, and you're not going to go find an Eagles themed cutting board in most stores. Another personal touch would be putting your logo on the cutting board. So the very first thing I laser engraved here was I tested my logo for 1422 Woodworking, the cross with the saw blade around it. By the way, 1422, a lot of people have asked me what that's about. Matthew 14:22, the story of keeping your eyes on Jesus walking on water, and when you take your eyes off of him, you sink. So that's kind of where 1422 came from, hence the logo. But if I'm selling cutting boards, maybe I want to put that logo on the back of the cutting board. Or what I've actually seen some people do is put directions on the cutting board. And they have this whole thing they laser engrave where it's like, please do not put me in the dishwasher. Please do not submerge me in water. Blah, 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 so that the people have no excuse for when they soak the cutting board in water and the thing falls apart. As I'm recording this video, it just finished snowing out in Virginia Beach, and that's not the most normal thing, but I'm already thinking about spring and gardens. And you get these cheap little things in packages at like dollar store, and you write down what you planted on there and they fall apart. Well, what if you made little wooden ones and you laser engraved basil and you put a picture of a basil leaf on it? Or rosemary, or tomatoes, or cucumbers. You could sell custom little labels for people's gardens. What about this one? Make some wooden crosses, laser engrave a Bible verse, John 3:16, whatever you want to do. You could take custom orders. Somebody has something specific they want on there. You can make it something that they can't go buy in a store. Teacher Appreciation Week rolls around. I did this one on the CNC, but you get the basic idea. Teachers' names. Your kid wants to make something for a teacher. Boom, knock it out, send it in. Or again, you go on Etsy and you sell these things. You say Teacher Appreciation Week presents, and you can get the teacher's name and make a laser engraved sign. They get to give it to their teacher. Again, unique gift. So I just gave you a bunch of ideas on how a basic under $200 laser engraver can completely change your business and open up new product ideas for you. Again, this is all I'm using right here. This is a $200 laser. 10% off if you click on the link below and use the promo code. But that's it. You don't need something fancy. At work, I have a very fancy laser engraver. It's like a $10,000 or $15,000 laser. But you know what? This $200 one, for what I need to do, works just as good. So for less than $200, you can completely change your business. Now, the biggest concern I hear from people is, I'm not a computer person. I don't think I can figure out how to run a laser. So here's my suggestion. If you think it's something you may want to try, this is a great place to start. Again, you may end up someday buying a $10,000 laser or a bunch of lasers and running a whole big laser business. But if you're looking to get started, you want to make a little bit extra money, and you just want to kind of dive into laser engraving, this is a great option. What I'm actually going to be doing is doing a bunch of videos on this laser and on the software. And if you decide you want to get it, make sure you're subscribed. I will have videos on how to work out the kinks and figure out the software to get lasers to come out right, because I had some issues with it and I was trying to get one thing to work and it turns out I was making a silly mistake. I don't like wasting time on silly mistakes. So hopefully the videos I'm going to be doing on the software and on the laser will keep you from making silly mistakes. So at the very least, I hope I at least gave you some ideas for laser engraver projects. Maybe you can make some money, you can get started, or if you already do laser engraving, maybe I suggested something you haven't done. And if you did get something out of it, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.